Hello everybody and welcome to the Joy of Painting. I'm joined with an extra special guest today.
My name is Anne, and this is Harper.
Hello everybody.
And we have a very mysterious guest here today as well. An
Yes.
artist that only says This is the painting we'll be doing today.
We just went ahead and put a primer layer of super base on our canvases. So, oh, love it when it's out of focus. Just so that the acrylic paint has a base to stick on.
I told you you needed hella liquid white on it.
We've got a super base, so stop crying.
Yeah, but you need double prime. Come on, Bob, let's do this.
Tell you what, let's make a happy little sky.
Okay.
Oh no!
We'll go right into a touch of phthalo blue.
Pause!
A little bit, just
What's phthalo blue?
and start at the top and work downward. That way your brush will pick up the liquid white, and automatically, your color gets lighter toward the horizon. You have to change it.
Well, it's so dark already.
That's not right!
Okay, now then, right along in here. Take the point of the knife, put it right up at the top of the mountain. No pressure. Very, very delicate. This is a time when the little knife would come in even better.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It's okay. It's not okay! Oh, what do I do? Bob!
Where is this colour supposed to go? Like, what am I doing with this?
Isn't that fun?
No!
If you put them like this, they're very rapidly going to look like telephone poles or fence posts.
Oh, I wouldn't want that, would we?
Okay, I think we're ready to move on.
You start a new evergreen. With the brush.
You choose bigger brushes, that's what Bob said.
Maybe.
Oh yeah, you've been doing exactly everything as Bob said.
Okay.
Good
To
painting.
reflections.
Yeah. Oh, Ben, yours is really good!
To come off easy.
Wow, look, you made a comeback.
Wow.
It's like Britney all over again.
That water, the line, the white lines. Oh, I didn't do reflection. I
Wash
should
the
do
brush
reflection.
off real quick.
And here we are. We did 3 Bob Ross paintings.
It's really easy, guys. Everybody can do it at home. It literally takes 15 minutes and it's great.
Okay, in all honesty, I think we've been here for about 4 hours.
We literally, I think we took like 15 minutes just to put the liquid white on the canvas.
My advice, if you do this, is to say f*** it and just go for it. Any advice, guys?
Get a proper scalpel. Get a proper
Yeah.
art knife.
Yeah.
Your cutlery knife won't do it. Any advice, Anne?
Let the mountains speak.
Ooh, profound.
Wow.
Thank you for joining us for the Joy of Painting, everybody.
Bye!
See you next time, guys.
From all of us here, happy painting. God bless.